Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Web Tuts YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to record your computer screen in Windows 11 without any extra software. Okay, so I will use the Xbox game bar to record our computer screen. Okay, so there is a great disadvantage of this inbuilt built-in recorder, and the disadvantage is you cannot record your let's say this is the desktop, okay, normal desktop. You cannot record right there. You need to play a video game, or you can alternatively record your Google Chrome browser. Okay, so let me open the recorder at first. To open the recorder, you need to select Xbox game bar. Okay, so if you write here Xbox, you will find Xbox game bar in the apps, under the apps menu. Okay, so alternatively, if you go to Xbox game bar, you will find the window, and alternatively, if you want to find the window, you just need to press Windows and G. So if you press Windows G in your keyboard, you will find the same window. Okay, press Windows G, you can see the same window is now appeared. You can now adjust your audio and system sounds and Windows services sounds and recording sounds and everything. You can adjust your recording volume here. You can see speakers, headphones, recording and system sounds. You can adjust according to your need, and then you need to press the record button here. So if you press the record button, it will start recording. But here, if you press the record button, it will not record. So let's press here. You can see here is a message: gaming features aren't available for the Windows desktop or File Explorer. To start a desktop broadcast, launch a game and then select desktop during your broadcast setup. That means you cannot record in File Explorer and in desktop mode. You need to either play or video game, or you can use Google Chrome. So let's use Google Chrome, and then let me show you how to record. So you can see here now I am now in Google Chrome, and now I am visiting google.com, and if I press Windows G in my keyboard, you can see the same window is now appeared. Okay, so you can see the recorder has captured this window. You can see Xbox recorder Google search, Xbox recorder Google search is now showing here. So what I will do, I will press the start recording button and it will start recording. Okay, so you can see it's now recording. Okay, 1 2 3 4 seconds. So if I browse anything, Xbox recorder, so I am just recording the screen, and after 15 seconds I will stop the recording. Okay, so I am stopping the recording right now. You can see it's now recorded. So where is the recorder location? Videos, captures, Xbox recorder. Okay, so if I minimize this and go to videos, then captures, and you can see the Xbox recorder is now showing. So if I play the video, you can see it will now show you that it has recorded the screen. Okay, so you can see my screen is now recorded. But please be informed, you can record only Google Chrome and your gameplay in this Xbox game bar. Okay, so this is the default way to use this Xbox game bar to record your screen. If you want to configure this, you need to press Windows and G, and then you can click settings, and here you will find some options to customize the recorder according to your need. Okay, edit more preferences in Windows setting. If you select this, you will find some options and some shortcuts to make it more customizable. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. This is the way how you can use Windows Xbox game bar to record your computer screen in Windows 11, and this is the built-in system to record your screen. I hope you understand how to record your computer screen in Windows 11 without any extra software. If you want to record Windows 11 screen with any other extra software, there is another video in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Dream Web Tuts to get more tutorial like this, and comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget. I will see you in another video. Have a good day. Bye.